Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Kada. So in this episode, we are going to tell you 7 hidden or latest tricks of Google Assistant. So without further ado, let's roll. So the first trick is you have to take the Google Assistant and then you can see this symbol, which is the Google lens. So you can either detect objects like I have Rubik's Cube here. So let's just detect the Rubik's Cube. Try to detect it. It looks like cosmetic, so it is not exactly accurate and it may take some time. Shadow. So it also depends on the amount of light present. So I'll just switch on. Okay, it even shows you similar products. You can even add contacts. There are other stuff also which you can do using your Google Assistant lens. So this is the Google Assistant lens. So the next one is Google Routine. So you can set up routines. So first you'll have to click on this icon which you can see here. Click on that icon and you'll get a new screen. And from here click on the 3-dot menu and click on settings. Once you get into settings, scroll down and then find routines. So you can set up routines. You can set up custom routines as well, and you can set the number of actions you have to do. So there are some ready-made routines. As you can see, there is good morning, there is bedtime, leaving home, I am home, commuting to work, commuting home. So for example, if I see the good morning one, so it'll take the phone off silent. It'll tell me about the weather, tell me about my commute, tell me about my today's calendar, tell me about today's reminders. So, and it can set other things as well, like adjust volume. You can add stuff to this. So this is really good. For example, I'll just have to say, okay, I won't say that. I'll call Google Assistant and then I'll say good morning. So let's just try it out. Good morning.
Hi, you found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, here's some information to start your day. Right now in Tiruvananthapuram it's 26 with haze. Today there'll be thunderstorms with a forecast high of 29 and a low of 25. By the way, remember to follow and unfollow in Instagram tomorrow. Next, I'll play the news. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can take your phone off silent, turn on your lights, play music or podcasts and more. To customize your good morning routine, check out routines in Google Assistant settings. Have a great day.
So as you saw, it automatically set all the steps. Like you can step by step, like edit it. Like go to the settings, then go down. You can find routines. Click on that and you can set the good morning action. Like take off phone. You can change the order. You can do stuff. You can also like keep custom notifications. Like for example, I can say message or message bro, late again, feeling nostalgic, stuff like that. So if I say message bro, it'll send a message saying hello. This is a ping from Ganesh using a shortcut to menu in WhatsApp. Okay, so this is what the Google Assistant will do. It will convert the message bro to this one and it will send a message to Manu in WhatsApp. So you can set custom actions to Google. This is really good. You can customize Google to turn off Bluetooth, anything, whichever you want. So if it is connected to other devices as well, it will be really good. Other than also it will work perfectly. So the next one is news. Here itself inside the settings, you can find something known as news. So you can set news from different like sources. You can select your source, like you can change order or you can add news sources, so that if you say I want to hear news, you can like listen to the news, or you can directly listen to the order in which it comes. So I cannot play it because like these have copyright issues, but this is what we'll do. Like we'll say listen to news and it will show you the news in the correct order which we have given. So that is also a pretty cool feature. You can directly listen to news while commuting and going in bus and all. So that is the next feature. So let's just see what the next feature is. So the next feature is Assistant Voice. So this feature is only, like many of these features are only available where if your phone is in English US. So if your phone is not in English US, try to convert it into English US, the language, the phone language to English US, then only you would be able to get a lot of these features. So let's just go to the next feature, which is inside the settings you have something known as preferences. Go to preferences, there is assistant voice. You can have different voices for the assistant. As you heard, the voice for my assistant is a male voice. You have different voices, like let's see. So voice 1 and voice 2 were the older voices. You can see the voice 3.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you
Throughout your day. And now you
can choose from different voices for me to speak with.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. And now you can choose from different voices for me to speak with.
So this is the voice which I had chosen, voice 8, because I thought it looked
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
based.
And now you can choose from different voices for me to speak with.
Okay, so I like this voice, I have selected it and I will go back. So this would be the voice, it will be like I'll be hearing. So that was inside the preferences assistant voice. There's one more thing inside the preferences, which is the latest thing, which is continued conversations. So Google had promised about the continuous conversations in their Google I/O 2018, and I'm really surprised that it is here. So your phone has to be in English US, then only you will be able to get it. So it is currently available only for US language. Click continue search and switch it on. So what it will do is it will listen, and you don't have to say the keyword for Google so that the Google comes up. So all you have to do is, first let's just go and let's just say, hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. What can I help you with?
What can you do?
Here are some things to try. You can say things like, broadcast it's TV time. Or, can I change my sharing location? Just swipe to see more suggestions.
Okay, so as you saw, I didn't have to say or click on the mic button the next time, so it is actually a continued conversation. So that is what Google has started, you don't have to click the mic automatically, it will automatically detect what you want to say. So that is continued conversation. So that is also pretty cool, you don't have to again and again say the keyword for that. So the next feature is inside the preferences itself. Let's go to the settings, let's go to the preferences, that is getting around. So you can set in which mode you are going to go to your office or going to go to your home. So let's say take public transport or you drive a bike. So this will give you questions regarding to that, it's time for you to go, stuff like that. So that is also a good thing, and I don't know, till now I have not gotten any update regarding this thing, but I hope it is something like that. So let's go back, and then the next feature is the last feature which we should talk about is inside the personal info. So inside the personal info there is something known as nickname. It was earlier as well, you can set your name which the Google Assistant should tell you out. So for example, if you can use the default pronunciation or you can play it.
Ganesh.
So this is the default pronunciation. I can spell it out, I can type in what the pronunciation should be, and I can record my own. So this is the latest feature which I was not aware of. So this is also a hidden feature, you can record your own pronunciation of your name. For example, currently it is spelled, the default is
Ganesh.
So this is the default. I'll try to record something. Ganesh.
Ganesh.
So it's like Ganesh. No, it's not Ganesh, but anyways, let's record. Ganesh.
Ganesh.
So as you see, as I record it again in a different tone, it will record, it will play back in a different way. So it can record our own pronunciation. That is really cool. That is a really cool feature. So these are 7 features, hidden features of Google Assistant. I hope that you have liked this. If you have, please leave a like and also share this video with your friends and subscribe to Gary for more such videos. So until next time, peace out. Bye bye.